Abajo, abajo. Quiero que me le golpees más al cuerpo. Vivo, tus manos arriba.
Ayan po ang signal of round number 5. Sa Mandalay Bay, legendary yan because of the round girls. Tapos Peter. Oh, grabe ang mga round girls. Ito, Marco Antonio Barrera, his corner, working closely with him. He has absorbed some punches, but not yet the lethal punches of Manny Pacquiao.
Hindi pa natin nakikita yung raw power before the start. Pacquiao is capable of unleashing.
Before the start of round 4 kanina, tumingin si Manny sa taas at he made the sign of the cross.
Yes. Nakita ko nga yun, no? I think Manny realizes he's in for a tough fight against Marco Antonio Barrera. Grudge rematch po to.
This is a more prepared Marco Antonio Barrera. No? Unlike the first time around, na nasurpresa na si Marco Antonio Barrera. Barrera knew what happened, realized his mistakes, and now he's trying to correct them.
Dito nagagamit ni Barrera ang kanyang extensive experience dyan sa ring na yan. More than 60 fights in his storied career as the People's Champion of Mexico.
Manny now connecting.
Naku, nayanig si Barrera. Kapit bigla si Barrera. I think he felt the sting of that left punch.
Ayun, good
katawan,
right
grabe
to the midsection.
And another left.
Manny's clearly dictating the tempo now. Kita natin siya pumapasok dito. Uy!
Oh, good uppercut there.
Ang talino
Nice
ng
shots.
Barrera. Ganda. But Manny counters and Marco Antonio Barrera connecting with that upper.
Ito yung tapang ni Manny Pacquiao na pinapakita niya.
Manny Pacquiao gets stuck in our Alaksan moment. But he counters with that right. Trying to set up with that left. Barrera with short punches. Connecting to the face of Manny Pacquiao sa bandang kaliwa.
Ako sa tingin ko, gaining in confidence si Marco Antonio Barrera at this point.
Actually, si Manny is finding his range right now. Nakakakonekta lang yung Marco Antonio Barrera kasi medyo gigil pa yung Manny Pacquiao.
Tsaka pagpasok ni Manny, no? Nandun, nakaabang. Si Barrera, I think Manny needs also a little bit of movement yung side to side na dati niyang ginagamit, no?
Yun yung tinatrabaho nila palagi. Yung paggalaw ng ulo at saka pagpunta sa may bandang kanan. Ito, meron din silang trabaho. Sa panguyo, ginawa ng kaman.
Nice shot.
Pero bumabalik, parang tigre.
Nice right cross there by Manny Pacquiao.
Manny's hurt.
And Manny is hurt. Manny is hurt again. Marco Antonio Barrera, the heart of a lion.
At si Manny Pacquiao, bumabalik din.
Another Alaksan moment. And Manny Pacquiao now.
Ito, hindi magpapatalo si Manny. Tinamaan siya doon. Bumalik naman kaagad. Grabe ang palitan. We're just in round number 5. Malayo pa ito, mga kaibigan.
At ito ang dapat na talagang mga rematch na tinatawag. Manny Pacquiao receiving a lot of punches in this round number 5. Ayan na naman ang palitan sa gitna ng ring. Barrera again.
Left.
The double left. And Barrera showing us courage. And Manny now being off.
Barrera using some head movement. But nice in and out.
Barrera's hurt.
And Manny Pacquiao, mag-iingat siya, ginagamit ni Barrera yung ulo.
Ito, bumabalik si Barrera. At sabi naman ni Manny, let's get it on!
Excellent round.
Bigyan mo
What a
lahat.
round for both Barrera and Manny Pacquiao. Hatid sa inyo ng SMB Sports. Sa tayo pupunta sa round na yun. Very close. But we will have to go with the pambansang kamao, Manny Pacquiao.